ANNX Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question. I'm answering all this and covering it up in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First thing I want to say is that despite this being kind of in an interesting setup here, I'm trying to be kind of not nice. Well, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with the most proof, and all I have to say is that, bro, it's not something that I'm willing to buy. Because look at this market. Like, even last time I made a prediction, that was June 2024. I was looking to further take things down. At the time it was $4, now it's $1, and it actually did deliver. Like, we hit some lows, and all I have to say is that potentially just keeps breaking the lows. I mean, for me, you know, only if I see some full candle close breaks above 278 am I going to look to take it up. But other than that, it's all just pure noise. So let me know what is your opinion on ANNX, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.